Okay, these are AMF Jello Shots. You can imagine what AMF stands for, can't you? Okay, so we start off with some hot water, come behind that with some blue Jello. Stir, 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 stir. Now we follow that blue Jello up with some vodka. Delicious vodka, Putin's juice. Come behind it with some rum. Beautiful. And then we follow that with a bit of tequila. Now some gin. Then a bit of sweet and sour. So using the same ingredients, but guys, I mean, understand. Go easy with the alcohol because if you overdo it, this Jello ain't gonna turn hot. Alcohol's a bad boy. It stops stuff from turning solid. So you gotta just use the right amount, okay? Beautiful, delicious, cute, cool. Woo-hoo-hoo. Loving it for your next party. Make some potent Jello shots. Just trust me on that.